In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size or width of a button in WordPress. Buttons are a key design element for any website, guiding visitors to take action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or simply navigating to another page. Sometimes a button's default size just doesn't fit your site's design or functionality needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your button's dimensions to create a look that perfectly complements your website. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to get started with creating your own account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the main WordPress website. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login options. From here, choose the Continue with Google option. Using Google as your login method is not only faster, but also adds an extra layer of security by leveraging Google's authentication processes. Next, select the Google account you'd like to use to access WordPress. Now keep in mind, the account you choose should already have the necessary permissions to manage your website. If it doesn't, you might run into access issues later. Once you've selected your account, just sit tight for a moment while WordPress redirects you to your personalized dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. It's usually easy to spot, and click on the Edit Site option. This will bring up a list of websites associated with your account. From there, choose the specific site you want to modify by clicking on it. Now, you'll be taken to the WordPress site editor, where all the customization magic happens. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen there. You'll see a small plus icon. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding new design elements to your site or modifying existing ones. In the search field that appears, type in the word button. As you type, WordPress will filter options for you. From the results, select the one labeled buttons. This will add a new button element directly to your site. Once the button is added, click on it to bring up its customization options. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Properties panel. This is where you can fine-tune the button's appearance and functionality. Navigate to the Styles tab within the panel. This is where we'll make the changes to the button's size. Now, in the Styles tab, locate the section labeled Dimension Padding. This setting allows you to adjust the spacing around the button's text, effectively changing its size and width. To make adjustments, you can either slide the padding values or manually input new ones. This updates the button's dimensions in real time, so you can see exactly how it looks as you make changes. Keep adjusting the padding until the button reaches the size and shape that suits your website's design. Remember, the goal is to make the button both visually appealing and functional. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully increased the size or width of a button in WordPress. This small adjustment can make a big impact on your site's overall design and usability. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.